Okay, so in this video, we are going to be continuing practicing the same strategy where we are finding our ones and our tens to add two-digit numbers. But this time, we're going to be looking at some more problems where our ones end up being more than 10. So we have to create a bundle. So this is going to get you some practice with creating a bundle of 10 and moving that over to your tens place. So let's go ahead and start. I'm just going to hop right in. I'm going to do a couple of these without giving time for a pause, which if you end up deciding you're ready to pause, you can do that anyways. And then I'll do some where I give you a little bit of time to pause and try it on your own first. So the first one I'm going to do is 65 plus 15. And this one I can already tell by the ones is going to give me a very similar result as the one at the end of the last video. And I have an ant crawling around on my mat. Hold on. Okay, whatever. Okay, so let's start off our same strategy. We're going to circle our ones first. So I'm circling 5 and 5. I know that 5 and 5 makes 10. And if it makes 10, I have to bundle that up. So I'm going to bundle my 10 up, and 10 is going to leave me with 0 ones in the ones place, and it's going to give me 110, right? So I'm going to put my 10 down here. And some people kind of got this confused a little bit. This is not a 10 as in a quick 10. This is literally just the number 1. Like we could write it like this if we wanted to. Okay? So I have 10, but what I've done is I've left my ones up here and I've brought the bundle of 10 down so that I remember to add it at the end. Now let's underline our tens. I have 6 tens and 1 10. I know that 6 and 1 is 7, but I'm not going to put my 7 here yet. I need to add this 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. You'll also see that I like to cross this 1 out. This, I only cross it out when I add it. So when I added 6 plus 1 and got 7, I didn't cross this out yet. When I said 7 plus 1 is 8, then I can cross it out. It helps me remember if I've used the 1 or not, and if it's not crossed out at the end of my problem, I know I need to go back and add that 1 in. Okay? Let's do another one, and you're going to see a little bit of a pattern here. 65 plus 16. And you may already know, if you know what we got on the last answer, you may already know this answer, which is good because that means you can practice the strategy without having to worry about getting the correct answer. If you know the answer, then you're just practicing the strategy. So let's practice it. I'm going to circle my ones first. I have 5 and 6. If I don't know what 5 plus 6 is, I can use my fingers to help me count. So I'm going to hold up the number that is lower, which is 5. And I'm going to count on starting at 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now 11 is a little bit different from 10. How many ones does the number 11 have? 11 has 1, 1. So I'm going to put that in the ones place. And 11 also has 1, 10. So I got to make sure that I add that to my tens place. And you can kind of see, it looks a little wonky, but it is the number 11. But I have it separated because 11 is not my final answer. This is just a placeholder to help me remember to add that later. Let's add the rest of our tens. 6 plus 1 is 7. And now I need to add this one. 7 plus 1 is 8. 81. Okay. Now I'm going to do a couple where you can pause. So this first one is going to be 65 plus 19. If you would like to pause, go ahead and pause. Okay, I'm going to work this one out. I'm going to circle my 5 plus 9. I know that 5 plus 9 is 14. If I don't know this, I can work it out on my hands. 14, I'm going to add to my place value chart by putting the 4 ones in my ones place and keeping my bundle of 10 saved here for later. Then I'll add my 6 plus 1 to get 7, plus my bundle down here to get 8. So the answer is 84.